Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Ms. Jahanara, and I hope that you all are fine. So let's start our today's topic. It will be very interesting for you all, guys. So I hope that everything will be fine for you. So, dear students, this is all about the months, the poem which we have discussed in our classes. It is written by Sarah Coleridge. Okay, the poet name is Sarah Coleridge, and this is a poem. It's all about the months. You can see the months like Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These all are 12 months in front of you, and you can see the names as well. Yeah, so let's come here on the topic of months, what she wants to express in this poem. So here she starts like January brings the snow. Snow here it means that they are talking about winter season, like January, December, they all belongs to winter season. So as you know that this is all about the seasons as well. We can take this poem according to seasons along with the months as well. Then she talks about February, like they are couplets. Couplets are of two lines poetry. So this poem is consist of couplets. 2-line poetry is here. So in the second couplet, she says that February brings the rain. When there is rain, it means that it is February. Then she talks about March. Like March brings breeze. It means that it gives pleasure. It gives soft breeze on us, like we feel a pleasure. So these type of things are here in her poem. So dear students, as we have discussed in our online session about these all months, what relate to which month, what season relate to which month, all things were there. So you can take help from this video as well. You can see the names of the month, you can see the seasons as well, as I am providing you some pictures as well. It will help you in your home task as well. So here you can see that like spring, summer, winter, autumn, that seasons belong to which months. You can take help from this, and we will provide you some sort of worksheets as well. Then it will help you to solve your worksheets as well. So now in this picture you can also see that winter, when we talk about the months. So here we go, like a season winter is concerned with December, Jan, February. Season summer is concerned with March, April, May, and summer season is concerned with June, July, August, and autumn is concerned with September, October, and November. So you can take help from these things. And now let's talk about your task. What you will do in your task, which months are cold. Now question number 1 is here. Then here you will write cold months. Just write these all in your copy along with the answers. What was the weather in the month of March feel like? Is there any month that the poet seems to dislike in this poem? So you will just give me the answer of it. And the fourth question is, which month were you born in? Describe something interesting that happened in your birthday month. Yeah, this is very special thing. So what you will do in this question, you will just describe something interesting, something enjoyable in the month of your birthday. Like when is your birthday, the month you can write about something special, something interesting in your answer. So let's see, this is the answer of your first question, like Jan and December are the cold months. And the second is cold breeze blow in March. This is the answer of second question. And we have the question number 5 here, which I have given you. The answer is poet does not like month like November. She does not like November. She uses the adjective dull for this month. Now this is the next thing. This is your book task. And what you will do here, you will just match the things like word and meanings here. You can take help from this image as well. I hope that everything is clear to you, dear students. If there will be any difficulty, so you can ask from us in WhatsApp group. So best of luck for your task. Good luck. Goodbye.